Well, that's a good thing all these trees are right.
Yeah.
Because it looks like that hill goes for a long ways.
Sure does.
We are once again headed up into the Hobley Creek area. That would be Hobble Creek for those who don't speak Hobo. We're Hobley. We're headed up for another side-by-side that rolled off the trail. We're in the green Land Cruiser. We've got T and Brock with us today, helping out. This is one of the very few times we just brought one rig. We typically like to have two just in case, but this one looks like it's not got enough room around it to maneuver two rigs, and it looks like it should be simple enough that one should be plenty fine.
Plus, it's not very far up the trail, so if we had to call for another rig, we wouldn't have to wait too long, so there's that too.
Not worried, but we'll take you along for the ride, film what we remember, and hopefully it's entertaining for you. We got them pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the hill. Check. Who we're coming up for? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, no problem. We'll be back in a little bit. Nice clearing here.
Beautiful camping, you didn't even see them.
Yeah, I saw them. I was just thinking, I was about to say, that looks like a really nice place to camp. Somebody ought to try and tow a 40-foot toy hauler up here and on those tight switchbacks.
Ooh, Laurel will be pissed.
That would make a good video though. That looks like a tire sticking up there. These trees don't look very big. Oh, there might be some up there. Okay, we'll go take a look. All right, how's it going?
Good, good. Getting a little better, but you know.
yeah, considering. It's got a little close to the soft side there. Yeah.
This kind of went right over there.
Well, that's a good thing all these trees are right.
Yeah.
Because it looks like that hill goes for a long ways.
Sure does. There's a little turnaround spot up there a ways. I've got my side-by-side up there.
Okay.
If you need to point a different direction, it's not too far up there. Probably. Some big trees on that hill.
Way up there.
Yeah.
One there that's a decent one.
That was pretty.
Right there, and then the bigger one right back
Yeah.
a little bit. Those ones look all right.
These things usually start after they've been upside down for a while.
So
It
they
depends.
hydrolock. Yeah. So if it's hydrolocked, then we'll pull the spark plugs off and bleed it out. Do you have a little toolkit? Usually there's one in it. We can pull the spark plugs out with. But yeah, frequently we pull them over, and if they crank over,
Now it's filming again. Don't know. Do we want to try and pull a little bit
I
more,
kind of want to pull a
or
little bit more, but I think if it starts here, we can pull it on.
help? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you want to close the door and get your leg out of the way? I will.
Hang on a second. Let me get this crap out of the way.
Safety-wise, it'd be better to clip this one, just in case. But in case something happens, this thing will catch the net right through your teeth.
Okay.
It at least gives the impression we're trying to be safe. Just a little steady pressure is all it really needs. What I'm trying to do is keep working on it down. Well, it's probably because the right side is lifting. If it doesn't have lockers, it'll be spinning those tires. Okay. Okay, it looks like we're there. Unhook the sling and or
Let's have
the
you guys
bridle.
move out before something fell out down there.
Might as well help people out.
Come up here and film. Here, give me your hand. Hand. Looks good. Come up a couple feet. Oh, you got
Was the steering wheel centered before? It doesn't look like it. What's that?
That can be fixed.
Yeah. Yeah, usually that's something pretty simple.
Yeah, Will. You guys made that look too easy. You guys did an awesome job there. Wow.
We brought the little Land Cruiser because it's such a small road.
Yeah.
We actually have an off-road wrecker that,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we could have just, has 2 winches on the back. You just lift it right up and down the trail.
Yeah.
But it's a little harder to get up on trails like this. So
Wow.
when you said there was trees to hook to, I thought, well, just take the green Land Cruiser
There
and
we go.
be easy.
Yeah. Yeah, that tree moved a little bit, but it wasn't going
So
anywhere.
that made it look
No.
It just bent a little bit
Yeah.
at the top.
Yeah, it didn't look like it was pulling
The
roots
bottom
at all.
wasn't moving. No.
Yeah, you made it look so easy.
Yeah, that was really
And
good.
this is what we do. So we have to make it look easy, right?
So we all need to go turn around. There's not a ton of room up there, but there's I think enough for all three of us.
we can go look. We could also just turn one around, back it up the trail, turn one around, back it up the trail, turn the third one around and come down. I can turn around right here.
Well,
So
really? Why don't
yeah.
why
So
don't
if this looks really thin to turn around,
because mine's up there.
okay.
And
I'll drive mine up.
well, no, you can drive it up.
Oh.
If you want.
Yeah.
I'm not getting in one of these with you driving, dude. No way. He can drive or I can drive. I'm not going
Oh,
with
I
Eddie.
was trying to be careful.
But yeah, we can just go on up and you can see what's up there.
Okay.
It's kind of almost a little bit of a three-way that you can maneuver around.
Okay.
in. And I'm in part of it with a two-door.
I'm sure there's gonna be plenty of room. Yeah. So, like I said, I can literally turn around right here. So
Okay.
if this looks tight and that looks doable, then there's probably plenty of room up there.
All right. Well, why don't we take this to the top then and
Okay.
turn it around? And then if there's not enough, if you don't
You
think there's
can
enough
either
room,
jump in with us,
I'll jump in
or
with you.
you can jump in the Land Cruiser. Either one.
I'll jump in with you guys.
So. Hey, Ben.
Yeah,
Do you have all the winch stuff tied up?
yeah, everything's down.
Okay, you gonna drive that one up?
Yeah, as soon as I spool in the winch and put all the stuff away, we'll drive up.
Okay. I'm gonna go find the turnaround spot.
Have anyway. We're glad this isn't stinging metal. I checked before climbing up here.
I don't. I probably should.
If it was stinging metal, I would have sent you a Brock up.
That's real nice of you.
You guys recover faster. Come. Okay, hook coming down. Soft shackles coming down. Make sure you pay attention where those ones fell. They're green. They blend right in. Okay, I'm going to back up and we'll unspool that mess. See how it was pulling at angles all bunched up over there. So we'll unspool it and then spool it back in evenly. You want me to pull up, give you a little room to climb in?
I'll just get in the passenger seat so I can film you.
We'll hug the left a little bit because we don't want to pull a side by side. Go off the side, the edge. That'd be a lot worse than this. This is a lot heavier. Those little trees might not stop it.
We have to get like 7 trees.
Just keep going.
He took my spot. What?
You can have this one.
No, it's all right. I'll just jump in by Brock. So I'm gonna have them drive down, and then you can back up where they are.
Yeah.
And then just follow them out.
There's a soft shackle on the hood.
Yeah. Once you back up and that's not in the trees, I'll just jump in the back. Hi-ya! Fat guy and a little Land Cruiser.
That is quite the view.
So the other guy that didn't roll was saying to the guy that did roll, he says, I kept telling you, you go where you look. And I says, were you looking at the view? And he kind of hangs his head and goes, yeah, I was.
Yeah, if you want to do that, come to a complete stop, then look.
Yeah.
That's not where we just pulled them up, is it?
No, it's not.
That's
Looks
somebody
like
else.
something
Somebody
else
else
fell
went
down
off
right
right there. Yeah.
It doesn't look like they rolled though. It looks like they slid.
Probably slid, yeah.
Yeah.
But there's a ledge right there
And they
that
were tearing stuff up trying to get back on the road.
I'm sure they would have had to winch back up. But
Yeah.
a lot of side-by-sides do have winches on them, so I mean,
Oh, wait,
they're
hold on.
damaged.
Hold on. There's a flag down there.
but- Oh,
I think that's his flag.
probably.
Let me
Oh, there's
grab
something
it.
else, a bag or something else over there. I can see black. Brock had picked something up. It was like a seat cover bag.
Ow! Freaking darn it!
Wait, falling us.
Found some water bottles I put in the
In the
bag. And some medication. Hey Brock, I'm gonna throw these at you. Ready?
Yep.
See if I can just get this in the back window.
Doink.
Kinda.
Okay. Whew. Gravity works pretty hard against me.